Hello everybody, we are back with Klebo Plays Mega Bonk. Last time we tried to defeat Tier 3 of the forest. We got to the final boss and we got fucked. We got fucked on hard. But what happened was they took away all of our weapons. So like the two other weapons don't mean shit really at the beginning. So really I'm gonna focus on maxing out my fire staff 100%. Just gonna max it the fuck out and none of this bullshit. Now that I know this game is a complete fucking scam at the final boss, oh shit, we're gonna completely take that into account and I will be leveling the fire staff. I think the max level for an item is 15. I'm not 100% sure, but we're gonna find out. I don't want any of this bullshit. Lightning staff isn't even good. I'm not gonna take that. I'm gonna take the fire staff. Fire staff all the way, baby. Extra jumps. That last run, the extra jumps actually help a lot. They help out a lot. Extra damage, 10%. We just need to max out our crit, our damage, and our fire staff. Once we do that, we're cooking. Oh, also projectiles, 100%. And I would like daggers. Daggers, super fucking good. I just hope we don't get a bunch of bullshit ass items. That's the problem. Sometimes you do. Okay. Something good, please. Okay, we'll take that. We'll take that. Not a bad start. Hey, I'm not afraid to banish some shit. I do not care. Ooh. I'm gonna get lightning orb for sure. Saving up for that. Nice little legendary. Give me the fire staff. I'm telling you, I already got the fire staff rank 4. Yep. That's the kind of timing we're on. And it's actually doing hella damage. Look at that, 14. I need crit. Crit. Projectile count. Fuck yeah. Give me that shit. Okay. Here, back up. I'm not touching that fucking shrine. It's just gonna increase the difficulty. No thank you, sir. Ooh, what projectile count or damage? I think we go damage. Ah, fuck it. Projectile count. Projectile count all the way, baby. Give me that. Give me that. Wireless dagger or crit chance tome. I'm gonna go crit chance tome. Projectile tome. Fuck yeah. Okay. This is actually a good start. Burger. Get the shit out of my fucking face, man. Okay, where's this bozo at? I think I can buy the legendary. Oh, it was like 178. Get the legendary. Yeah, 170. 183? What is this fucking inflation? It just went up. Come on. Give me the money. 183. These projectiles are crazy. Come on, 182. 183. Lightning orb, fire. Okay, now that we have lightning orb, we don't even need the lightning precision. Dude, we're just gonna get our crit max the fuck out. Have our lightning or our fire staff maxed out, so that way when we hit that boss and we just have our lightning staff, we're gonna do some fucking serious damage. Okay. 72 for a chest. Let's go ahead and open this bad boy. Something good, please. It's good. We'll take that. Well, actually, that's really good. That's gonna be good for the final boss. Okay, come here, please. Another legendary. Cursed doll actually does a lot, so I'm gonna take that. Cursed doll is actually damage tome. I guess we just go damage tome, right? This is all. Oh, you know what I need? I need lifesteal. Okay. Something lifesteal, health. I mean, I'll take it. I need the fucking health. Come here, bitch. Oh, okay. Oh, fuck. Yo, you cannot get caught lacking in this game. Bro. I know my health regen is ass. Ooh, one nasty swarm and I'm cooked. Ooh, that's actually not a bad one. Okay. So if I could just stand still. Oh, ooh, yes. Health. Gimme. Quantity tome. Or do I want Aegis? Let's get the daggers going. And we'll get more of the. Okay, good. Because daggers just do so much damage. And during that final boss, I did get the daggers. It just took a little bit. You gotta survive. Yo, I haven't gotten a fire. Refresh. Tornado. I'll take Tornado. Tornado is actually super good. Tornado does crazy damage. Okay. Go around here. Get these vases. Okay. Do I have enough for a chest? I do. Something good, please. I mean, I guess that'll help you get more chests. It's kind of mid. Jump height, crit chance. Let's go jump height, because I'm gonna get a bunch of crit chance anyway. I'm gonna max out my crit chance with my precision tome. It's not really. Oh, dude, this is some bullshit. Back it up. I'm actually kind of sick to my stomach that I'm gonna be losing my 2 weapons during the final boss fight. I think that's stupid. Projectile count. Oh, that's what I'm gonna be missing, the attack speed tome. That's not fun. Let's go projectile count. Ooh, it's really good. Last run I had the attack speed tome, so I was rattling shit off. I'm not gonna lie. See how it goes. I don't know. I'm just like thinking of the final boss. Oh. That's not bad, actually. A little bit of lifesteal, get me to full health. Take it. Oh my god, I have hella money. Maybe these gloves are not bad. Oh, please, not the gloves again, not the gloves again. Dog shit. Straight dog shit. I should have fucking banned it, honestly. Straight ass. Let's go ahead and get our daggers up. Gotta level that. Yo, I need to get a fire staff, man. What the fuck? Anytime I see fire staff, I'm taking it. No questions asked. I'm not even gonna like second guess it. Nada. Cheese. Sure. It's extra damage, why not? Fuck off. Stupid ogre. Oh yeah. Give me the crit chance tome. We need to get to 100 crit as soon as we can. Ooh, projectile speed, yes. Items haven't been shit so far. I'll take that. It's not terrible. 10% chance to open up a chest for free. Okay, we need a good one here. Should have got this fucking movement speed. Fuck off. Fire staff. Actually, no, XP gain is good. We want the XP. Some shit I like. I think I underrate some of the items. But, you know, it is what it is. Guess we go projectile speed, yeah? Get more money. Anything down here? No. Damage tome, fire staff. Got our fire staff level 6. It's good. Ooh, really good. We need to level up our damage tome, though. We don't want to get caught lacking on that. Projectile speed. Yo, our shit is fast. No time for that shit. Come on. Knockback, evasion. I mean, I guess I'll take some evasion. You never know. It could really come in handy. See this jump, man? This is crazy. I don't want to actually duplicate any items yet. Because I feel like everything I have is actually pretty viable. Getting more money than I can spend. Dude. I'm actually doing a lot of damage right now. Swarm incoming, great. We're making our way back to the boss. I think so far, take the moldy cheese. I don't really care for the health, but I guess I'll take it. There are much worse options, I suppose. Just gotta keep opening up these chests. I need a magnet, that's what I need. Did I get the whole? I think I've gotten the whole, let's go ahead and get this power up. Let's summon the boss. Let's go. Come on, little bark. Little bitch. Oh, yeah. Ooh, let's go damage tome. We can increase our damage a little bit. Oh shit, I missed this. I didn't even see this over here. Oh. Curse doll. Curse doll, curse doll, curse doll gang. Oh, I almost died there. Alright, we're gonna level up a lot here. Another health, man? God. Give me the projectile. Give me the fire staff. I should have just taken that legendary. I don't know why. I'm stupid as fuck, that's why. Guess we'll level up the tornado. Anything else? Let's go. We need our crit chance to go up. Crit chance. Fire staff. Fire staff. Fire staff. Okay. I actually think we did pretty good. Get me out of here. Get me out of here. Okay. Tier 2. Tier 2, boys. Forest. Oh, no. It's tier 2. This is, I don't know why this is tier 3. Okay. Damage to elites. Yeah, give me that shit. Absolutely give me that shit. Any damage to elites, I'm eating that shit up. Okay. Let's go here. Fire staff. Last time my fire staff only got to rank like 10. So wasn't even good at all. We need all these little crates, man. They're not crates faces. We have a lot of money. We can double fist this? Pause. No, we can't. Oh shit, we found the boss. This is good. Lifesteal or armor? I think we go lifesteal, right? Take any damage, just heal that shit right back up. And don't forget, if I stand still, when I stand still, I gain a power. I just start doing hella damage. So I do have to keep that in mind anywhere I'm. If I ever get in like a crazy jam, I could just pump the brakes real quick and be like, yeah, bitch, I'm about to do 100% more damage. Oh, legendary! Come on, please give me what I want. I mean, I guess it's really not that good. I wanted the dragon fire. 14.4% damage. Fuck yeah, that's delicious. All these bozos spawn up there. Come here. Yep. Dude, I'm getting crazy rolls on these syringes. So good. So. Ooh, magnet. Maybe, is it too early to use the magnet? Nah, fuck it. Fuck it, we ball. I should level up, right? Yeah, there we go. Give me the precision. Oh shit. Getting a good amount of money here. Alright, gonna get this, jump up, go get the, gotta remember the The boss is in the middle of the map. Projectile count? Fuck yeah. Uh-oh. I don't know. I'm not doing as much damage as I'd want to do. Oh, did that take away my item? Oh, no, it didn't. Can I do damage? Can I do damage? Can I do damage? Yeah, I'm not doing enough, bro. What the fuck? Kill this bastard. Kill this bastard. Kill this bastard. Kill this bastard. Come on. Okay, that's good. Come on, something. Damage something. It's not terrible. I need more damage. I just feel like I didn't kill him fast enough. 57k, I should be fucking going through that like it's chopped liver, bro. I need to get my damage modifier, my tome. Lifesteal, movement speed. No, we need the movement speed, man. We need to... something good. Damage. Oh, I'll take that. I'll take that 100%. Off rip. Crit chance projectile count. What's my crit? No, definitely want to go projectile. Okay, swarm incoming. Okay, let's see how this swarm goes. See how we deal with the swarm. I want the dragon's breath so bad. It does so much damage. Like every run that I've had with it, it does insane damage. Ghost. I think we go ghost. Yeah. Oh my god. Oh my god. Yo. Damn. These guys are on my dick. I'm not doing shit damage, bro. What the fuck is going on? Maybe it's the tornadoes. I don't know. Oh yeah, what do you got? What do you got, big boy? Something good? Something good? Ooh. We will go with the bomb, man. Absolutely we will go. I need 2,000? Okay. I'll be back. I will be back, good sir. I need that bomb. I need that bomb bad. I actually make a lot of money. A lot of gold gain projectile count. Definitely projectile count. Do that. Fuck out of my face. Ooh, another free chest. I love a good free chest. Oh, that's fucking dog shit. Okay, gotta remember, we gotta save to like 2,700. Anything else over here? Oh, what do you got? What do you got? What do you got? Something better? This is exactly something better. Correct. And so now I'm gonna go back and still get the bomb. Absolutely. So I need 2,000. Oh, it's 4 minutes left. Okay. We're not doing bad. We're not doing bad. I'm gonna get that crit. Yo, our items are low key. It's getting really. It's looking like we got a serious build here. Thorns, armor difficulty. I think we'll go thorns. Yeah. Fuck yeah. Probably should have went armor, but. It is what it is. Jump height, thorns, lifesteal, jump height it is. Okay, hopefully by the time we make it back to this bozo, I will have enough damage tome. No. Another dragonfire? Yo, do I double up on the dragonfire? What is this? What is this like fucking... Holy shit. I think we buy the bomb and the dragonfire. I think that's the play. I mean the bomb, I gotta get the bomb, right? Like, come on. It does so much damage. But the dragonfire also does a lot of damage. the issue is the bomb just costs so much. Look at this. 2,300. And then I want to get the dragon fire. I don't know. Might have to just hit one of them. Because we have 3 minutes left. And we have to get the final boss. This one might be a close call. I don't want to get too greedy. Let me just stand still. And just kill. Oh, swarm incoming. Okay. This is actually good. This is good. Yo, 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 yo. Kind of close here. They're getting kind of close here. Let me get out of here. Let me get out of here. Okay. Don't stand still with the swarm. Got it. I learned my lesson. Yo, this this like item is actually really good. It's actually saved me a couple times already. Most definitely. Ooh, magnet? Yeah, buddy. I'm gonna get that after I kill everybody. Is this swarm over? Is this swarm over? Back up, back up, back it up, back it up. Fire staff. Give me that. Okay. Now we're gonna go up here. Fire staff. Fire staff. Ooh, go crit. Fire staff. I need to level up my dagger a little bit. Damage tome. Fire staff. Crit tome. Projectile tome. I usually go heavy on the okay, 1,600. Or do I go for the giant fork? I don't know. I think I'm fucked here. Oh my god, look at this damage. Oh, this is good damage. Oh yeah, this is really good damage. Yeah, 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 this is great. Fuck right off. Yep, yep, yep. I gotta go to the boss ASAP, because that final storm's gonna be... I might even be fucked now. Okay, come on, hurry up, hurry up, hurry up, hurry up, hurry up. Do I have enough? Do I have enough? I don't think I have enough. I don't think I have enough. Oh, dude. I think I gotta go to the boss. I gotta kill the boss. No, no, okay, okay. I think I just totally fucked myself. Okay, I got a minute. 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 Dragonfire, go. Okay, boss time, boss time, boss time. Let's freeze. Let's freeze. Does the time still move? Oh, the time still moves. Of course it does. Of course it does. Of course it does. I might have fucked myself. Earn money by moving. Come on, where's the boss? Where's the boss? There he is. Start it. Start this bitch right now. Oh my god. Yo, yo, yo. Come on. You need to do this damage. Yes. 35 seconds. Projectile. I should be okay. I think I just gotta kite him a little bit. Okay, come on. Oh. Just gotta stay in the air, honestly. Fuck him. Fuck this bozo. Okay, 16 seconds? Eesh. This is not looking good. This final storm's gonna be on my dick hard. 7 seconds. Come on, come on. Do the damage. 4 seconds. I need big crits here. Damage tome. Yep, final storm incoming. Come on. We need to hurry up. 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 We do not want to play around with this fucking final swarm. At all. Okay. Projectile count. Whew, that was close. Damage. Fuck off. Okay. Okay. Alright. Last boss. Last boss, baby. Start off with a magnet. 2 magnets. Jesus. Okay, so anytime I start the boss portal, it starts at 10 minutes. So I'm gonna use up all my time. I'm gonna use up all my time on this. I went way too fast last time. Okay, please something good. Damage. Horse shit, dude. Straight horse shit. Got a chest here. Free chest, free chest. Okay, so 15 is not the max level for... Damage, damage. Let's go damage. I need more damage. Lifesteal, jump height. Why are there so many fucking magnets, bro? I'm gonna just kill hella shit and then just hit the magnet up, I guess. Jump height. I have a lot of jump height. I don't really know if this is that. It's not gonna be that good for the final boss. Size, projectile count. Yup, yes sir. Okay, look at that. Ooh, free chest, free chest, free chest. Please, legendary. Oh, yes, I'll take that. We want our projectiles, absolutely. Crit chance. Oh yeah, let's see how much damage we're doing. It's not terrible, but the final boss has 7 mil health. It's gonna be rough. What's our crit chance? We need to get a crit up. We need that 100% crit, baby. Oh yeah, give me that. I got 2 of those. Yeah, shit. I'm just leaving this bozo around. Okay, I'll take that. Oh, what is that? A golden one? I've never seen this. Oh, no. Yo, this time shit is actually really busted. He's dead. Better give me something. Mid. Of course she gives me something mid. 30 per 10 shield. I guess I'll take the shield. Oh shit. 50% more damage while airborne. Now that is gonna be fucking good. Especially with my jump height. These dudes are cooked, dude. Fuck out of my face. I'm actually gonna do crazy damage. Not that I'm not, but yeah. I just need to find some magnets. Oh, there's the boss. Okay. Yeah, I'm using up all my time. All my fucking time. 50% more damage while airborne. I just gotta fucking jump, dude. Oh my god, 3 of these? Dude. Oh, that guy better have some good shit. He better have some fire. Take the extra jump, man. That was dog shit. Please have something good. Please have something good. Please have something good. Projectile. That's fine with me. Oh my god, magnet's gonna go crazy. Especially if a swarm comes. Wrap it up. Wrap it up. Come on, come on. Evasion, I guess. Yo, let me get this magnet, bro. I want this magnet. Come here. This is gonna go crazy. What's my crit chance? Okay. I need to get my crit to 100 actually. Projectile, damage, crit. Is that a crit? Fire staff, give me that. What's my crit? 94%. Okay, okay. This is good. All right, as the swarm comes. Perfect. Give me the crit. I feel like as long as I'm in the air, I'm just doing too much. Just gonna do way too much damage. Holy fuck, what is this, bro? What the fuck is this? Oh, I was about to hit that. I don't want to touch that. I know exactly what the fuck that does, and I don't want any parts. I don't want any beef, bro. Oh, no, no, no. This is bad. I'm in a corner. This is really bad. Okay, I'll take the attack speed. I actually do really good at clearing these motherfuckers out. Is there a chest over there? I did hear a chest. I have a knack for these things. Doubling that is actually... I have 2 of those now. Okay, so here's what we're going to do. We're going to get this 1.8 mil. Oh, that's actually... That's actually... not fun. Come on, buddy. I'm actually getting a little scared. I have 2 minutes left. What do I want to do? What do I want to do? Get that chest. I need to get as many power-ups as I can. Oh! Okay, that's not bad. Actually, for the last boss, that will be good. I need to go and hit the magnet. Definitely need to go and hit the magnet. How much health am I gonna have? Come on, I can afford it. There you go. Please, please. Not good. Yo, he's actually getting chunked. Which is really good. 1 minute 40 left. Bring him up here. Come on. Okay, actually kind of disposed of him in a reasonable time. I got a minute left. I need to go hit that. How much health? That's fire. That's exactly what I wanted. Please, something good. Oh, I'll take that. Mega crits, I'll take that 100%. Okay, so I just heard a chest. No. Damage tone, projectile count. I'm gonna go ahead and get our fire blaster up. Oh, there's a magnet. Okay, perfect. I'm gonna hit this magnet. Dude, I'm getting good ass. 3 mirrors? Yo, these motherfuckers can't touch me. Okay, this magnet will definitely. Oh, fuck yeah. 18.8% or 60.8% damage. Yeah, baby. Okay, hit this magnet. Now I will definitely be leveling. Look at all that. Look at all that shit coming in. Projectile count. Let's take that. Where's the boss at? crit chance. No, we don't need it. We don't need any more crit chance, baby. Take the damage, fire staff. Okay. It is time, boys. Time for the boss. Yo, if I can't do it with the items I have right now, I don't know. I don't see how I do this shit. I don't know. I mean, here we go. Look at this. They're about to take both of our fucking items away. They're gonna leave us with the fire staff. It's horse shit. Look at this. Look at this. Defeat the final boss. Wait. Oh, it only took one? Wait, no, see, it took both. See? It's horse shit. It's okay. I actually do good damage with my fire staff this time, which is... I just gotta stay airborne. Okay, come on. Good, good, good. Level 23 fire staff is nothing to scoff at. Okay, come on. The thing is, I can't stand still either to get that 200% increased damage, because he'll just fuck me up. Oh, he's gonna heal, right? Yeah, if I don't get all these in time, he's gonna heal. Look at that, 6.2. No, 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 don't kill me, don't kill me, don't kill me, don't kill me. It's actually so gay. Oh my god, am I dead? Okay, I gotta just run, huh? Am I throwing? Am I throwing? I think I'm throwing.